If you clicked on this video, then you're also probably wondering how I'm going to be making chocolate chip cookies without chocolate chips. There's only one way to find out. Welcome to Melissa's Bakery. Wait, is that how to say it? Anyway, I'm about to make chocolate chip cookies because I've been saying I want to make it for so long, and I don't have chocolate chips. But then we're going to see if it's going to work without the chocolate chips. Is the chocolate chip the main ingredient? I found, what's it called? A recipe on YouTube that I saved to copy. Hopefully this doesn't flop. Because if it does, my mom is going to kill me because I'm wasting all her ingredients. Excluding the flour which I bought myself. And we found a video. First things first. When I'm putting this down here, come down here. This gimbal doesn't move far, excluding watching my face, so I have to move with it. First things first, we need butter. I have butter here, but I'm not using all because I'm not making a lot of chocolate chips. So we're going to use half of this. This is like a broke person's chocolate chip cookies on a budget. Forgot to say, I don't have brown sugar too. We don't need brown sugar if we have white sugar, so white sugar, guys. It will still work the same way. So first we need our butter. Taking this down here. Come with me, come with me, come with me. In here, in here, in here. The next thing they did was add half cup of brown sugar. I can't eyeball to save my life, so thankfully my mom decided to buy measuring cups a very long time ago, so I'm just going to use it. Half a cup. What do you mean by half? Which one is the half cup? Okay, let me watch the video again. Since this is a sugar food, I'll probably just use this. In the video, they used brown sugar and white sugar, and I don't have brown sugar, so does that mean I'm going to use 2 times of the white sugar? I should just use one of the. I should use the white. What am I even saying? Should I use the white sugar as the brown sugar, or should I just use? I'm just using the white sugar like that. I'm just going to use the white sugar like that. So we have the white sugar here. 1, 2. We're filling this for it to be full. So it had to be brown sugar plus white sugar. See, that's very smart. Okay, now I didn't fill it to the top. I don't want to give anyone diabetes. So let's just do this amount. And then pour everything in here. I can't find a plastic tester, so don't judge. I'm using this to mix it. I feel like it looks wrong without brown sugar in. Okay, after this, we're supposed to add egg. 1 whole egg. Isn't 1 egg too much for this? It's going to taste very eggy. Oh, hey. Okay, I just added 1 bag of sugar to 1 bag of tea. Do you get the reference? Wait, do you guys get the reference? Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Huh?
Like I'm trying to say that I've I'm trying to say that I've added egg to like a whole egg to this small thing. So like I'm using a bag of sugar and one bag of tea as reference. It's like too much sugar for a small bag of tea. Like doesn't make sense. I'm just talking too much. Whatever. I've added the egg to the thing and I'm supposed to mix it. That's what the video said. I won't lie, this thing is looking very nasty in my eyes. If it doesn't work, I know I'll be in trouble, but this is why you have to try things. So the next time you know that you shouldn't do a thing like this, and we wouldn't have to waste anyone's resources. So sometimes you have to sacrifice. This is a sacrificial work right here. We're not wasting anything. We're using every single thing. This is what's being all alone at home on a weekday with too much will have you doing. Plus it's practice. We're practicing for when we want to open a bakery. I can already see the fate of this thing. There's no yet time to give up. You have to strive for what you want. Motivational speech. When you're doing something, you have to make sure you try for what you want. But put all the efforts and the shot comes past. Thank you. I think I broke the bowl. The video says we should get ourselves some all-purpose flour. Get 1/4 cup of it. This is 1/3. So if we take half of this, that'll be 1/4. Right? Oh my god. This is just proving that my math is as terrible as everything else. 1/3 of this. We need 1/4. And this is a 1/3 cup. Campi. We're putting it back in this bowl. Then let's add a little bit more. We're eyeballing, even though I'm a very terrible eyeballer. Half. We all know it's not half, but who cares? A tablespoonful of cornstarch. So I didn't think we used cornstarch in baking for some reason. Half tablespoon of baking soda. A 1/4 spoon of salt, but this is half. I don't have a 1/4 one. It's just going to take half of the half to get 1/4. Half. Oh wait, guys! Before I continue, I just remember that I have vanilla flavoring. Let's just add it and see. Instead of chocolate chip cookies, let's do Van Choc cookies. Vanilla chocolate cookies. Short is Van Choc. Smells good. Into the mixture. The mixture looks very dry. Oh, very strong. Finally got into the important part of making chocolate chip cookies as the video I'm watching tells me, but here's the case: we don't have chocolate chips. So the vanilla has taken the place of the chocolate chips. That is why we're making a very special Van Choc cookies. If you want to try, don't forget to hit me up. You get some. We're done making a cookie. I make sure I do everything exactly like the video. The only difference is that mine always has kind of taste. She's scared of the oven, and there's no one in the house. Why am I scared of the oven? Nothing is going to happen. Let me do that. I hate ovens. I have a very weird hate for ovens. Like, I don't know why. No oven can hurt me. No oven can hurt me. So funny how I'm actually scared of an oven. And I didn't even taste the flour. Proof of me being a bad baker right now. But this is what we're dealing with. Did you all hear that? Them playing with me. I don't know if you guys can hear what I'm hearing. It keeps on going, making noise and going off. Guys, I won't lie. I don't know if I did something wrong, but then my cookies isn't looking like cookies. So I've increased the temperature of the oven to see if it will bake quickly. Because what is going on? It's been like 30 minutes since I put it in there. 30 good minutes. But I'll update you guys in like 10 minutes. Hopefully by 10 minutes too much before it bends. Hopefully by 5 minutes should be done. As I'm just taking it out of the oven. I have no time, no patience, 0% patience. Oh my god! Wow! Doesn't this look good, guys? And it actually smells good. It smells like something I've tried somewhere before. I just don't remember where exactly. But it smells good. Let me take a nice video of it. Oh my god. Oh my god. This might actually not be a feel. I have to make it cool down a bit before I decide to eat. But here. I don't know why I was so happy. Like, you see that the feeling you get after you put in hard work and consistency into doing something. That's the feeling I'm getting right. I feel like such a chef. I feel like a baker. I feel like I'm going to be baking in those Netflix baking shows. Let's pretend we're on one of those Netflix shows. 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Woo! Guys, we're back, and I have Nana here. Have you ever made an appearance on here before? I don't think he has. No, I don't think he has been in a video before. No, just once when I showed you for like mine. Are you sure? Anyway, he's about to try the cookies to see if what I did was good. Wait, take this. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Salt. I think the salt was too much. If it wasn't because of that, like, it's actually good, right? Okay, rate it. Rate it. On a scale of 1 to 10.
2.
Why 2? You can't be good enough. So you then take the rest. You don't eat the rest.
Okay.
No, yeah, be serious too. Oh, it's not too bad.
It is. It's too salty.
It's good. You know what? I think this is where we end the video. This is the end of the video. I forgot to do an intro, so we're going to do an intro outro. If you're new here, I'm Melissa. If you're old, welcome back, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, guys. Thank you for watching. Say bye.
Bye.